So the question is, given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. So basically we have a equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. One equation is given. Now we have to write second equation which together with first equation form a pair, and the condition is that you have to write second equation such that the pair so formed is intersecting lines, first question, parallel lines, second question, third is coincident lines. So first we have to understand when lines are intersecting. So if lines are intersecting, the conditions of intersecting lines means algebraically how we can check that lines are intersecting. So its condition is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So first, if we are solving for intersecting lines, then we have to write second equation such that with this first equation a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. What is a1? a1 is coefficient of x in first equation, a2 is coefficient of x in second equation. The equation which we will write in that coefficient of x will be a2. So we have to write the other equation in a way such that a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. So this is the concept. So we can write so many equations. Just the condition is a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. So if a1 is 2 and I maintain a2 as 5, so I write equation 5x. So by this way a1 upon a2 will be 2 by 5 and b1 is 3. So b1 upon b2 should not be equal to 2 by 5. So I can write 7y minus 10 equal to 0. So this is second equation. And if we check first equation, second equation, a1 upon a2 is 2 by 5, b1 upon b2 is 3 by 7, which is not equal. a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2, then lines are intersecting. So this may be second equation. If we wish that pair so formed should be of intersecting lines. Now second case is for parallel lines, means we have to form second equation so that pair so formed must have parallel lines. So what is condition for parallel lines? If lines are parallel, then algebraically how can we check what is the condition? So for parallel lines, a1 upon a2 must be equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 must be equal to b1 upon b2, which should not be equal to c1 upon c2. So I am going to write second equation. Coefficient of x in first equation is 2. So I will write 4x. If second equation 4x is there, then a1 upon a2, 2 by 4 will be 1 by 2. So b1 upon b2 should also be 1 by 2. So multiply 2 to 3 also. So it will be 6y. Now we can see 2 upon 4 will be 1 by 2, 3 upon 6 will be 1 by 2. It means a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 now. But what we wish that it should not be equal to c1 by c2. So minus 8 is there, write minus 15 is equal to 0. Because minus 8 by minus 15 will not be equal to 1 by 2. So this way we have a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So the lines will be parallel graphically. Now the third question is that line should be coincident. So what is the condition for coincident? Third we have to solve for coincident lines. So what is the condition for coincident lines? For coincident lines, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, means all the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by 2 and c1 by c2 should be equal. So for that, just multiply with any natural number to equation 1 or any integer I can say. So if we multiply first equation by 3, then it will be 6x plus 9y minus 24 equal to 0. Since I have multiplied it by 3, then its ratio will be 1 by 3 only. See, 2 by 6, a1 by a2 is 1 by 3, b1 by b2, 3 by 9, again 1 by 3, minus 8 by minus 24, c1 by c2, again 1 by 3. So ratio a1 a2, a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 will be same for these two equations. So these may be some second equations possibility for intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. We can write infinite as such equations.